Have you ever had a hard time putting contact lenses in and of course taking them out? Okay, time to take these things out. Oh, can't get it. Okay, let's try and put this in. Oh! Let's try that again. Ugh. Ma, can you come help? Then definitely watch this video and I'll give you my best tips and tricks for putting contact lenses in and taking them out very easily. Keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Lizette and on our channel we talk about beauty, makeup, fashion, lifestyle, and everything in between. So if this is the place for you, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and become part of the family. For those of you who've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. I say it every video, but I really do appreciate it. And when you guys leave me comments, it really does help. And I really love reading them. So don't forget to keep on watching. What you want to do is make sure first that your hands are clean. I made a whole video about eye health and why it's very important. I'll link that in the cards up here for you to check out if you would like after you watch this video. So make sure your hands are very clean, and then I'll demonstrate for you. What you'll do is you'll open your eyes wide. Open them wide as you can, and then using your index and your ring finger, those are the fingers that I like to use, I stretch the skin around my eyes just a bit, not too much. And then I use on the opposite hand, I use my ring finger as well as my thumb finger, and I lightly pinch the contacts and take them out. That has worked best for me. That is a method that I've been using since I was about 18 and first started wearing contact lenses. That method works best for me and I love that method. It's very quick, it's very easy. If you have acrylic nails, you can do this method as well, but just make sure that you are very gentle, since I do have acrylic, I wear acrylic nails sometimes, and I don't have any on now, but I do wear them sometimes, and I'm just very careful with my lenses, since, you know, acrylic nails, since they're sharp, they can actually tear the lens and then you're in trouble. So just make sure you're very gentle, but you can do this method as well. And this method is beginner friendly. It's for anyone who's just started wearing lenses. I wish I saw a video like this when I was first wearing lenses, but I didn't know about YouTube. And so I didn't see any videos like this, and so it took me so long to put contacts in and to take my contacts out, the longest. But that trick is always the best for me, and it aids in me putting my lenses in and taking my lenses out just as easily. Now for putting your lenses in, same method. Just make sure your hands are clean. Just a note, if you use a towel, just make sure that you are careful, because towels have little pieces of lint on them, and then once they get on your hands, they can annoy your contact lenses. If you put your once you put your contacts on your hands and then try to put them in your eye, the lint may get on your eye. That's happened to me a few times, and it took me a minute to figure it out what it was. So just make sure. I usually use a paper towel to wipe my hands. That way there's no lint obviously on a paper towel, so that's better. So just a tip for you guys. So I do the same thing. All I do is I just, as I mentioned before, open my eyes up wide, make sure my hands are clean, open my eyes up wide. Using my ring finger and index finger, I just put the contact right in. It's very simple, it's very easy, taking them out, putting them in. Just something to keep in mind. Practice. The more you wear your lenses, it's gonna be hard. I guess you could say the first couple of times that you do it, but you will get used to it. Don't worry, I certainly did after like my 10th time. So you will get used to it, and just keep practicing putting them in, taking them out, washing your hands of course every time in between, and then putting them in and taking them out. So that helps. And they also have tools. I know they have tools for putting contacts in, taking contacts out. I don't like those tools in particular. I just feel a little weird about anything that short going close to my eye. I'll put a picture right here. I don't like that. But that's also an aid in helping putting contacts in. And then they have a similar tool right here for taking contacts out. Now, if you think that can help you, then by all means, let me know in the comment section below. Do you use tools for putting your contacts in and taking your contacts out, or do you just use your hands like I do? I'm always open to new things and new suggestions, so make sure you drop me a comment down below. And of course, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to share it on social media. And of course, hit the red subscribe button and become a part of our family. We are growing. And don't forget to find me on social media. I always put my handles throughout the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and it really does mean a lot to me. Thank you again, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.